Video 157, refactoring mouse and tile vars. This is all we're doing. We're taking these variables and changing them to this. You can stop here if you want, but we'll go over the code. Here's one change site for the actual declaration of these four variables. We also need the location variables to change as well, the location on the GPU side. And we're inside of top-level variables. Refactoring commentary. This is the shader source fragment number 5 code. We've made the refactor right here. Here's where we're getting the location, actually no, setting the value of the variables on the GPU in the uniform put function for ArtGirl, and we refactored the names. Here's where we are getting the location, aka address, of these variables on the GPU using the same names as exist on the CPU side within the render pipeline load function. And we've refactored these names. A little footnote that this refactor is done where we did the original transformations from mouse to discrete unit and then discrete unit to global tile X and Y. We've refactored these names as well. Refactoring commentary. Refactoring commentary. What we did previously. Refactoring commentary still. Interesting. Why is this? Okay, let's keep on going, I guess. And just a footnote for what we did in this video and what we did in this video. Okay, so we're done here. You've been on this playlist here. You can get the source code here. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail.